Good afternoon, dear students. Let's continue audio recording. Next is editing the poem. Suppose after pressing the record button, a delay of a few seconds occurred before the actual recitation of the poem. That non-recorded portion in the beginning and corrupted area in between the recorded portions can be removed. Don't bother about the non-recorded portion or the corrupted area of the recording or the unwanted noise that has crept in. All these can be edited and corrected using the editing provisions in the Audacity software. Open the audio project that already exists in our computer. Open the Audacity software from Applications, Sound and Video. Audacity window opened. Open the audio file from User School Resources Standard 8.
ആർദ്രമീ ധനുമാസരാവുകളിലൊന്നിൽ ആതിരവരും പോകുമല്ലേ സഖി. ആർദ്രമീ ധനുമാസരാവുകളിലൊന്നിൽ ആതിരവരും പോകുമല്ലേ സഖി. ഞാനീ ജനലഴി പിടിച്ചൊട്ടു നിൽക്കട്ടെ നീ എന്നണിയത്തു തന്നെ.
The unwanted portion in the beginning and or at the end should be removed. For this, select the portion and press delete button of your keyboard. The corrupted part, non-recorded part or unwanted noise crept part, etc. found in between the recording can be removed similarly.
ആതിരവരും പോകുമല്ലേ സഖി.
You can use cut, copy, paste activities to rearrange the position of the selected part of the recording. For example, suppose the first 4 lines of the poem are repeated many times in the later portion. In that case, copy the first 4 lines and paste it to the desired place in the audio track.
ആതിരവരും പോകുമല്ലേ സഖി.
If we think certain parts of the audio track are not up to the mark, then re-record those parts and copy-paste them to the corresponding positions. Audio tracks. If you record or import an audio without selecting the track, such audio files will be recorded or imported to a new track. You can add any number of tracks and use them one by one. Normally, the upper portion of the stereo track denotes left channel and lower portion denotes right channel. In a mono audio track, waveform and vertical scale will be only a single track for both. More effects. We have removed all the corrupted portions in our audio that is recorded. What else is to be done next to make the audio perfect? Do you feel the intensity of the audio is the same everywhere? We can rectify any difference in intensity in your recording. Giving more effects. Select the portion to be amplified. Choose Amplify option in Effect menu. Adjust the New Peak Amplitude or dB slider to increase and decrease the volume intensity and set it at the desired level. Click OK to apply the settings. The changes you have made in the new peak amplitude might have resulted in high amplitude, which is not desirable. Hence, the OK button will not be active. In that case, to avoid distortion of sound, a clipping has to be affected. Activate clipping by putting a tick mark on allow clipping. Now the OK button will be active and click to apply settings.
ആതിരവരും പോകുമല്ലേ സഖി ആർദ്രമീ ധനുമാസരാവുകളിലൊന്നിൽ.
Likewise, we can activate more effects on the audio files using Audacity. Select the portion to include effects. Select Fade In option from Effect menu. Fade In option to increase the intensity of the selected audio part from silence to the original intensity.
ആർദ്രമീ ധനുമാസരാവുകളിലൊന്നിൽ.
Identify the changes. Select the portion to include effect. Select Fade Out option from the Effect menu.
പോകുമല്ലേ സഖി.
Fade out to decrease the intensity of the selected audio part from the original intensity to the silence. Select the portion to include effect. Select Change Pitch option from the Effect menu. Adjust the slider to increase or decrease the frequency.
ആർദ്രമീ ധനുമാസരാവുകളിലൊന്നിൽ.
Change pitch option to increase or decrease the pitch of the selected part. Select the portion to include effect. Select the Change Speed option from the Effect menu. Adjust the slider to increase or decrease the speed.
ആതിരവരും പോകുമല്ലേ സഖി ആതിരവരും പോകുമല്ലേ സഖി.
If any effect becomes uncomfortable or undesirable, we can cancel the action using undo option. Audacity permits any number of undo or redo options. Change speed effect once again and identify the changes.
ആതിരവരും പോകുമല്ലേ സഖി ആതിരവരും പോകുമല്ലേ സഖി.
Save the file from File menu, Save Project option. Save Project dialog box appears. Select the destination folder from the home folder. Type a file name and then click on Save button. The song saved with .aup extension can be opened for editing in any computer in which Audacity software is installed. But to play it using audio or media players or to use it in web pages and presentations, we have to convert the recorded audio from project format to audio file format. Exporting Audacity project format to other audio format. Select Export Audio in the File menu. An Export Audio window opens up. Type the file name, select the folder where the file is to be saved and the format in which the file is to be exported. Here, let us select .mp3. Press Save button. In the window that appears, give more details about the file if needed. Play the exported audio file from the home folder.
ആർദ്രമീ ധനുമാസരാവുകളിലൊന്നിൽ ആതിരവരും പോകുമല്ലേ സഖി ആർദ്രമീ ധനുമാസരാവുകളിലൊന്നിൽ ആതിര വരും പോകുമല്ലേ സഖി
ആതിര വരും
പോകുമല്ലേ സഖി.
This chapter will continue in the next class.